We are getting good news from Tesla Giga Berlin that Tesla's final permit, which was delayed and has been delaying for a long time for Giga Berlin, will not delay Model Y production, says a local minister. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please consider subscribing to our channel or even consider joining our paid membership section for exclusive early access, and also ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Simon Alvarez has the details that come from inforadio.de from Germany in a recent appearance at a podcast with German media outlet inforadio.de. Brandenburg Economy Minister Jörg Stainbach noted that Tesla's final permits for Giga Berlin factory will not jeopardize the electric car maker's plan to start vehicle production around July this year. To be honest, before going any further, I don't understand this, that how can Tesla produce a vehicle at Giga Berlin without the final permit? We understand the provisional permits. I've explained the provisional permits in this channel, how they work. You get permit to do certain types of work, and then you get the next permit to the next leg of works. But we're talking about production. That's already final permit. So I guess that this means that Tesla is going to go for provisional permits, possibly even up to July, unless the final permit of Giga Berlin comes sometimes in February or early March. Otherwise, Steinbach wouldn't say that would not be jeopardized, that Model Y production will not be jeopardized for the July start. So Simon Alvarez also reports that Steinbach's update is quite favorable for Tesla and its plans for its first Germany-based electric car production facility. After all, Tesla has expressed its plans to start the production of the Model Y in Gigafactory Berlin this year. If the facility does start operations as expected, Giga Berlin could play an essential role in bolstering Tesla's overall 2021 deliveries, most of which would likely be dependent on the output of Giga Shanghai and Fremont factory. But if Giga Berlin and Gigafactory Austin come into production mid this year, and Austin maybe in September, October of this year, maybe Tesla can meet its internal goal, about which I've discussed a member-only chat in this channel, where there is discussion that can happen, where I have revealed internal information that I have heard from my sources. So let me know, friends, what you think about these developments. While Stainbach assured that the issuance of the final permit will not get in the way of Tesla's Model Y electric crossover production in Germany-based Gigafactory Berlin, the minister admitted in the interview that other factors might come into play that could delay the project. In fact, this morning I spoke another Tesla Giga Berlin related delay due to very expected and natural causes. The Giga Berlin, which is also a 60-second short video for our paid members only, if you want to check that out. Now, these delays include judicial challenges against Giga Berlin, against Tesla, such as those that emerged when Tesla was looking to clear more trees from the area. Remember those? There were several judicial challenges by environmental organizations and the public. So it's overall good that it's good news for Tesla that its Model Y production will not be delayed. Now, I don't want to exclude that there are delays in the production process, but I have not been officially informed by Tesla, and if a delay happens, then it's either the way we have had it in the last year, especially by the significantly prolonged hearing. I cannot judge at this point if Tesla will recover this time or if it will end up delaying the start of production, but that is then primarily the cause of the delay and not the final approval, the minister said in that interview. Also, our friend Alex, who provides Giga Berlin information on Twitter, talked about that, saying that interview with Brandenburg Economy Minister Steinbach. The interviewer asked, will the delay approval of the overall project car factory permit jeopardize the production start that is targeted for July? Steinbach said, so not by the issuance of the final permit. Alex then comments saying this is breaking and huge news for Giga Berlin. What the Brandenburg Minister Steinbach just said, according to Alex, is that the final permit will not delay the production start of Giga Berlin in July. He continued that other factors out of his influence, out of his control, may cause a delay, but not the permit process. So I think this is very good news that the permit process is not going to delay Giga Berlin's construction. For now, Simon Alvarez at Tesla Radi comments saying Tesla is still building Gigafactory Berlin using pre-approvals. These are the provisional approvals that I've talked a lot about in my previous reports. Like, for example, Tesla Giga Berlin in February 10 may receive, we talked about that it had received another pre-approved permit, according to then Brandenburg's Minister of Environment, Axel Vogel. That early permit was allowing Tesla to install more parts in Giga Berlin's existing infrastructure or buildings, particularly equipment in the body shop, the casting facility, and the paint shop. Elon Musk, which as Elon Musk said, has been very excitedly talking about since last year about the exclusive paint shop. So like I said, now Tesla is still building Gigafactory Berlin's building using these pre-approvals, provisional approvals. The site's progress has been notable, with machines used for vehicle production already being spotted on the complex of Giga Berlin. Amidst the flurry of activity that is now being dubbed as Tesla Speed, Gigafactory Berlin's final permit has remained elusive. Nevertheless, Steinbach remained optimistic, noting that Tesla's EV factory will benefit the state of noting that Tesla's electric vehicle factory will benefit the state of Brandenburg. Here's what he said: "The maxim must be that an expected judicial challenge of this permit is rejected. The approval is valid and thus comes into effect. This is in the interest of the investor, but also in the interest of the state of Brandenburg that this happens," Steinbach said. So I think Tesla Giga Berlin is a good project for Brandenburg. A lot of people will find good, high-paying jobs, friends. What do you think about these details? Please let me know in the comment section below. And also, please consider our member-only access area for paid membership, where I have 60-second short Tesla videos, because some of you have been showing concerns that these videos are long, that some parts of them are repetitive. So I decided to offer a new product. Nothing will change for you, but this is just an extra new product. Those who would like to become paid members, for them there will be 60 seconds early access exclusive video reports, very short, that will save you time. So friends, let me know what your thoughts are on all of this. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Have a great day and God bless you, everyone. See you soon.